If you want to uninstall AnyDesk on Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step way to remove AnyDesk from your PC, and I'll also show you how to clean up leftover files so the program is fully removed. This is useful if you no longer use AnyDesk, want to free up space, or just want to make sure nothing is left behind. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows guides. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure AnyDesk is completely closed. Look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you see the AnyDesk icon, right-click it and choose Exit or Quit. This step is important because you may not be able to uninstall it properly while it is still running in the background. Next, click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the results. Once it opens, look for the option called Uninstall a Program and click it. This will take you to the list of programs installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. Click on AnyDesk once to highlight it, and then click Uninstall at the top of the window. Windows may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it. After that, wait for the uninstallation process to finish. In some cases, the app may remove itself very quickly, and in other cases, it may take a few moments. Once the uninstall is complete, AnyDesk should be removed from your system, but we're not done yet. Even after uninstalling, some leftover folders and configuration files can remain on your computer. So to fully clean things up, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %AppData% and press Enter. This opens the roaming folder. Here, look for a folder named AnyDesk and delete it if you find it. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. Now press Windows key plus R again. Type %ProgramData% and press Enter. This opens another folder location where program data is stored. Again, look for the AnyDesk folder and delete it. Removing these leftover folders helps make sure the app is fully cleared from your Windows 11 system. If you don't do this, some settings or log files may still remain behind, and that's it. AnyDesk is now uninstalled from Windows 11, and the remaining folders have been removed too. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.